In this video, we want to cover what President Biden just signed into the law, the new $1,400 EIP, the Economic Impact Payment that many people will be receiving later this week. Just a real quick update about how this works is that, again, I'm looking at the EIP payment that's being made here in March. What I want to look at is what's the difference in this payment and the two we got in 2020. So what happens, as I just said, several of you should be getting the EIP payment, or they call the stimulus payment this week in your bank account. But then that's an advanced payment on the rebate recovery credit, the RRC. So how's this work? If we'll go back in time and go back to last year, we got a payment in about April, $1,200 for an individual. Then later on in the year, we got another one, a $600. I'll use that as an example. So those two EIP, or those two stimulus payments, or the economic impact payment, whatever they may call it, it was an advance payment that for those two payments, when you filed or you're getting ready to file your 2020 tax return, if you got the correct amount in those two prior EIP payments, you do nothing on your 1040. But if you didn't get a payment or you didn't get the right amount, then you need to fill out the worksheet for the recovery rebate credit, which reconciles the 2020 tax return to the payments. Now let's say you got a partial payment in one or both of those payments last year. Then what you would do is, again, you would fill out the worksheet for the recovery rebate credit. And see, because that EIP payment, that stimulus payment, was paid based on 2019 tax returns, or in some cases, the 2018 tax returns. So let's say in the case where that one parent got paid on the child because it was on their tax return in 2019, and in 20 it's on your return, you both can get the same EIP payment, but one will get it in the EIP, the advance payment, and the other one could get it on the 1040 tax return, again, when you fill out this RRC credit, again, the recovery rebate credit. Now, things new in this $1,400 stimulus payment this time is that college students and other dependents get this for the first time. They didn't get it in the prior two. This payment will be reconciled on the 2021 1040. So if you didn't get a payment or you got the wrong amount, you do get to reconcile it on the 2021. The phase out period, or the phase out amounts for getting this payment, if we're single, at $75,000, fully phased out at $80,000. If we're married, filing separate, it's $112,500. fully phased out at $120,000. And a married couple, it's $150,000 phased out at $160,000. And again, this payment is based on your 2019 return, unless you've already filed your 2020 return, and it would have been based on the 2020 return with a filing reconciliation at the end of this year. So again, kind of hope this helps. You should have the check in the mail or going into your bank account as we speak. Again, you didn't get it, you got the wrong amount. We reconcile the stimulus EIP payment on the 1040, the first two we reconcile on our 2020 tax return, and this third one we're going to reconcile on our 2021 return. Hope this helped. Click there and see you in a future video. Have a great day.